Hello friends, welcome to BSP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this session, we will discuss about implementation project in Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. So this is our today's agenda and we will cover what is implementation project and how it helps in our project and how to create implementation project. After that, we select offerings and options. We enable the offerings and options. And at last, we will cover how to import and export implementation project in our application. So implementation project is the list of setups, tasks we need to perform, we need to accomplish to implement selected offerings and options. So we create an implementation project by selecting the offerings, by selecting the options we want to implement together. So let's see some offerings. Here you can see over here offerings, supply chain management, financial, SCM, PPM, procurement. These all are offerings. Under the offerings, we have the options: procurement, order management, purchasing, AP, AR, GL. So those are options and offerings. So we manage the project as a unit throughout the implementation lifecycle. We can assign the tasks, we can assign tasks to the users, we can assign tasks to the multiple user, we can assign one specific task to any user, and we can track the completion of the task, and we can check the status of the task using the implementation project. So this is all helps to our project. So we can also create implementation project to maintain the setup of specific business processes and activities. So these all are offerings and options. And so before creating a implementation project, we have to enable these offerings and options in our in our application. And implementation manager, we can say the implementation manager can specify which offerings and which option to include in our implementation project. So there are no hard and fast rule, no hard and fast rule for how many offerings we should include in one implementation project. So implementation manage project manager should decide based on how they plan to manage their implementation project. For example, we implement and deploy different offerings at a different time, and having the separate implementation project will make it easy. Separate implementation project will make it easy to manage the implementation lifecycle. So let's move on to the application and see how to enable the offerings and options in our application. So this is the user which we created in our previous video, and go to setting and action and scroll, click on this setup and maintenance, click on this action and go to the setting, go to offerings. So we have the offerings provided by the Oracle, which is compensation management and related to manufacturing and supply chain management. And we have the product management, procurement, with all are the offerings provided by the Oracle Fusion. So let's take one example like procurement. Let's see. Click on that. Click on opt-in features. It will take a while. So you can see over here, the procurement is the offerings and these are options. All the options and offerings are enabled already because this is the test instance provided by the Oracle and these all are the enables. But when we get the fresh instance, so in that way, we have to enable all the checkbox and we have to enable these offerings. So click on done. So once we enable the offerings and options, Oracle Fusion Functional Setup Manager create the implementation project and generate a complete list of setup and tasks based on your selections. So done, and let's create one implementation project. So in order to create implementation project, we have to click on this task bar and click on this manage implementation project. So this is the page where we can create one implementation project. We can create many implementation projects. So click on this plus icon over here. Let's give the name of this project. So I'm going to enter Tata implementation project. All the information populate automatically based on the name. The code is automatically generated. The description, you can change the description also. And where we have an option to assign to. So I'm going to assign this implementation project to this user, Tata user. You can also give this implementation project to other user. You can create user and go and watch my previous video how to create implementation user. And you can give the start date, you can give the final date. So right now we are going with the today's date and click on next. You can see over here, this is the list of offerings, and you can add these offerings to this implementation user. So let's click on for one offering, click on that, expand it. And this is the options in this offerings. So you can add this offering and options based on your requirements of the project. So I'm going to select the first one is this financial, and I'm going to select all the options under this financial offerings. We have many options we have under this financial offerings. So I am selecting all the options in the financial offering and I'm going to add. So click on save and close. It will take few minutes to complete this process because all the offerings, because offerings, under the offerings we have the many options, so it will take few minutes to complete this process. You can see over here our implementation project gets created. Let's click on that. So this is the offerings which we included in this implementation project. You can add more offerings. Let's add more offerings in this implementation project. So click on this plus icon, select and add. So again, this is all offerings which we have in this application. Just select one and scroll down and apply. It will take a while to complete. On the background, you can see over here the procurement offerings gets included. And let's take one more. Let's take order management is not this order management. Let's select it, apply it. And after completion this, click on done button. Done. So this is how you can create the implementation project and you can add the offerings under these implementation projects. And let's click on done. So this is the implementation project page. And under this, we have option of overview. So under overview, we have a implementation project. So this is the implementation project and you can see the unassigned tasks. This is the assigned tasks and the status over here, which is not started and assigned to the Tata. And below we have the implementation project detail. So we can see the assigned status, the assignment status by the task list. But right now we don't have any tasks and we don't have any resources. So, so let's assign one task to the user. So click on that implementation project and let's go to the procurement and let's select the define common procurement configuration. Select it and assign task. Click on that. So it gets one window and click on this assign same due to the date to all user. This is the date and you can give the note and click on this plus icon over here. So the user where you can assign the task this user. So let's last name is Tata. Let's search it. It will give or not. Yes, the Tata. So select one and apply. Done. Save and close. So this is how you can create an implementation project and you can enable the offerings and you can enable the options and add include offerings and options and you can see how to assign the task to this user. You can see the assigned task 132, right? And it populate. So as we go ahead gradually in this project, all the details populate automatically in this implementation project details. You can see over here. So at the last, we'll see one option, which is configuration. How to import, export, and configuration. Click on done. Click on this task icon over here. And we have one option, manage configuration packages. So this is the manage configuration packages over which you can import and export the implementation project. So let's create one. And this is the option name. You can select this implementation project, which we created earlier. So we have two options to export this implementation project. One is setup task list only. When we deploy the project, so at that time we don't need the data, the test instance data. We don't need the data. So at that time we go with the first one, setup task list only one. But right now we will go with this setup task list and the setup data. So all the details populated automatically. It will take a while. So you can see over here all the details populated automatically from the name. You can change it as per your requirement and I'm going with the default values. So let's click on next. So all the information in the all the tasks and related data in the offerings and options gets selected as the export option. All are exported. If you don't want to select any one of them, so click on that and uncheck this box. Uncheck this box. So this information, this task is not export. So I'm going with all the information and click on next. So this is the schedule and the notification. So we have two options, as soon as possible and use a schedule. So under the schedule process, we have a start time. Give the start time and the schedule. You can schedule this process. But right now I'm going with the as soon as possible and click on save and close. Save and close and to submit. Submit. So yes. So you can see over here, the configuration package gets created and scroll down. This is the export and import processes. We can see over here, the status is not started, still not started. So after the completion of this process, the status will get succeeded or completed. So after that, we have to download. Right now, the options of downloaded are disabled. These are faded out, gray out. So after the completion of this process, download the respective files. And after that, we have to upload. We have to upload the file over here. So in this way, you can import and export the implementation project. So in this session, we'll cover how to create the implementation project, how to enable the offerings and options, and how to include the offerings and option under this implementation project. And at the last, we covered how to import and export the implementation projects. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.